Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your computer shut down but user stay logged in on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, you shut down your computer but user stay logged in. Here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type the command netplwiz and click on OK. Here user accounts window will now open. Here user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck this feature and click on apply and OK to save the changes. For automatically sign in window will appear. Here choose a username, create a password and confirm password and click on OK. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second method is open control panel in your system. Here scroll down and open power options. Here from the left side click on choose what the power button do. From the right side click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and here under when I press the power button choose shutdown. In place of sleep click on this and choose shutdown. Under all the option choose shutdown and click on save changes. The one more method is go to Windows settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side click on accounts. From the right side scroll down and click on sign in options, and here scroll down and you will find the option use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Uncheck this feature. Turn off the toggle button against this option. That's all.